I'm just documenting this in case I die. I think it's like 3 a.m. and I'm on the trail back to the road. It's about a 6-hour journey, or 6 to 8 hours. I found these little tracks. I don't know what they are. They look like backflips or something. I'm hoping they're not that big. So they go all the way up this trail. Holy. We got snow today. The wood's all wet. That's not good. Yeah! I did not expect this. See the cabin? Oh my goodness. Literally up to my knees. Definitely. Definitely not going into work. That sucks. I'm a little stressed out right now because I don't think I'll make it to work tomorrow. And it's only because my truck was left at a parking lot that I'd have to go over an avalanche territory, and I don't want to do that. It's Healy Pass. I'm gonna try. Ooh, that's deep. Holy hell. This is deep. This is how deep. It sucks. It's like 4 feet of freaking snow. I'm trekking through some deep snow. Like, I hate feeling this way. Stuck here. I found the RCMP house. Ha! After all that. Trekking through knee-deep snow. Oh, brother. There it is. Oh, it's locked up pretty good. I don't know. Uh-oh. Maybe? Don't open it up. The danger would be either go over the avalanche area in the morning with this much snow and it's still going to be coming down tomorrow, or wait with no cell reception, no way of telling work that I can't make it in. Like, I'm super stressed. I feel really bad about it, but I won't be able to really tell anybody that I won't be able to make it in, and really sucks. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Tommy! Where are you? Oh. Where you left us? This? I'm going for it and see how far I make it. Oh, got portal. Oh yeah. No, that didn't work. Oh shit. I think that's a hawk. I just saw a hawk. Wow. Wow. That was a hawk. Wow, that was huge. As I get to like 4:30, I'm getting very excited that the sun's coming up. I'm gonna take a break and have some breakfast, a little stop, so I don't get too tired on the way. All right, so I am just about to get to the highway, hopefully in about an hour or two. That's a big pile of shit, and that's not a horse. I'm pretty sure that's bear scat. It looks like it went that way though. I'm going the opposite way. Hoping to get back to the highway with service here and continue my day and go to work. This is me hitchhiking. Nice! I avoided all the frickin' water.
Way better than me then.
Look at the pine cone. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Excited.